Hello everyone, this is Sujata Chavan, consulting nutritionist. Today's topic is very important. It is about ideal weight, body mass index and blood test to be done after 25 years for your good health. Let's start. First point is about ideal weight. So how to calculate the ideal weight? You have to convert your height in centimeters and then you have to deduct 100 from the total centimeters of height. For example, suppose my height is 5'3", that is 160 centimeters, less 100 is equal to 60 kilos. Ideal weight for 5 feet 3 inches height is 60 kilos. It's that simple. Second point is body mass index. It is called as BMI. The body mass index is calculated by dividing your weight in kilograms by your height meter square. For example, suppose my weight is 56 kilos, my BMI will be 56 divided by 1.6 square. That would be around 22. If your BMI is between 18.5 to 24.9, it is normal. If it is between 25 to 30, it is overweight, and if it is above 30, then it is in obese category. This way you can easily calculate your BMI and see under which category your BMI comes. Third important part of this video is which blood test should be done after the age of 25. After the age of 25 years, everyone should do hemoglobin, lipid profile, hemoglobin A1C, that is HbA1c, liver function test, that is LFT, kidney function test, that is KFT, thyroid profile test, that is TFT, then vitamin D and vitamin B12. Today I am going to tell you the importance of each blood test that should be done after the completion of 25 years. First test is hemoglobin test. Hemoglobin is a protein in RBCs which carries oxygen to all the body tissues. Second test is lipid profile, or it is called as cholesterol profile. It measures all kinds of fats in your blood. This lipid profile test is a very important test to assess the cardiovascular risk. Next test is HbA1c or hemoglobin A1c. This is a gold standard test to detect diabetes. This is a 3 months mean plasma glucose. Only fasting and PP sugar cannot detect your insulin resistance. So this blood test is very important to detect the insulin resistance in your body. Next test is liver function test. Liver is a very important organ which regulates on chemical levels. It helps in digestion, metabolism, protein synthesis, and even it helps in storage of vitamins and minerals. Next one is kidney function test or KFT. Kidney is one more important organ of our body which helps in the filtration of blood and which helps in excretion of the waste material out of your body. So this test shows how your kidney is functioning. Next one is TFT. Thyroid is a gland which produces some hormones which helps in overall metabolism, growth and development. TFT includes T3, T4 and THS test. Second last test is vitamin D. Vitamin D is very important vitamin which helps in regulation of your hormones. Again, it takes care of your joint health and it helps in absorption of calcium. So this test is also important. Many times in absence of vitamin D or when there is a critical deficiency of vitamin D, our bones and joints are very brittle and they are prone to fracture. Last test is vitamin B12 test. So this vitamin is also important because it is very helpful in the formation of RBCs and DNA, and it takes care of your brain and nerve functioning. Many times in absence of which it shows some deficiency symptoms like memory loss, problem in cognitive function, balancing or tingling sensation in arms, legs, numbness. So this was today's topic. How to calculate your ideal weight, how to calculate BMI and blood test to be done after the completion of 25 years. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share to your family and friends. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.